8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan is a customized program that provides you with everything you need for 2 months as you transition into the ketogenic diet. Studies show that most people fail when starting a new diet, precisely because most try to do so without a comprehensive plan. Unfortunately, planning to make a diet change requires a lot of time, effort, and research. With 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan, they do all of the hard work for you and prepare you with an 8-week action plan based on your body, lifestyle, goals, and food preferences. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. There's no need for you to do any of the planning or prep. You just follow along with the meals provided to you for each day, and by the end of the plan, you'll know exactly what to do and eat to follow along with this regime on your own. Custom Keto Diet Plan Review. What is the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan about? Starting a new diet is no easy feat. That's precisely why 95% of people fail when trying to do so. It takes a lot of planning and research to find the best meals for you based on your specifics, such as your body weight, lifestyle, activity level, food preferences, and goals. 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan does all of this for you, so all you have to do is follow along with the customized meal plan provided to you based on the information you enter at the beginning. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. The system is designed to make it easy to transition into the ketogenic diet with easy to make and even easier to follow meals, all of which are chosen for you based on the food choices you selected. Each also comes with nutritional information and portion sizes that explain how the meal will help you achieve your goals. This is done to ensure you know what you're doing so you can continue on with it after the 2 months are up. The program also comes with an abundance of information and digital keto cookbooks to set you up for success after you've completed the 8-week plan. This includes things such as Keto 101 video and ebook, your customized keto diet plan, keto bacon recipes, keto fat bombs, keto party snacks, keto superfood smoothie recipes, keto peanut butter threats, keto savory foods, keto chocolate treats, keto avocado recipes, keto desserts, keto cookies, fast keto recipes. Add in the fact that it takes approximately 3 weeks to form a new habit, and you'll know exactly what to do to continue working towards your goals as you come to the end of the 8-week program. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. You also receive a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you aren't sure if keto is for you, you'll be surprised. You have 2 months to try it out, which is the perfect amount of time for 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan since it's 8 weeks long. The best part is that you can get started right away as well. You just sign in and access the program online, or you can download the content onto your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer. This ensures you have all the information, advice, guidance, support, food lists, recipes, and action plans needed wherever you are. Who is the author of the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan? Rachel Roberts is the author of the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan. She has put in the hours of research and planning needed to have a powerful weight loss regime that will actually help men and women achieve their goals. She has found the perfect combination of foods, portion sizes, and nutrition needed to see results based on different lifestyles, exercise levels, food preferences, etc. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. What you'll get in the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan. 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan is a comprehensive system designed to guide you through the process of transitioning into the ketogenic diet while also teaching you, so you know exactly what to do once the program is done. Unlike other systems that set you up on a path that requires you to constantly come back and pay for results, this program focuses on providing you with healthy eating habits that you can continue with after you have completed the 8-week program. As such, you receive an abundance of valuable information that teaches you the ins and outs of the ketogenic diet, from the basic information to the benefits, from the keto-friendly foods to the ones to avoid, why and how to make substitutions, and much more. At the same time, you'll also be learning and trying new recipes that are specifically selected for you based on the information you enter about your lifestyle, exercise, food preferences, and goals. So, as you're working towards your goals in an easy-to-follow system, you'll also be learning what you need to understand the process and how to keep it going on your own. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. To give you a better idea of just how comprehensive the system is, here's a look at the different topics covered and what you can expect to receive. Video library. An A to Z of everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet. Introduction to keto. What is the ketogenic diet? Benefits of the ketogenic diet. Keto diet and blood pressure. What do I eat on a keto diet? How does the keto diet work for weight loss? Getting started on the keto diet. Keto recipes, keto tips, hacks, and conclusion. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. You also receive shopping lists for each week, day-to-day recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, nutritional breakdown of every recipes and meal portion sizes, option to swap meals that don't appeal to you, 11 cookbooks, 60-day money-back guarantee. You also receive a list of recommended supplements and where to get them to enhance your health if you choose to go this route. Lastly, there is a section that breaks down the commonly used ingredients in the recipes provided in the 8-week Custom Keto Diet plan, with direct links on where to get them. All can be found on Amazon, making it quick, easy, and convenient to add to your pantry. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Our Verdict 8-week Custom Keto Diet plan is a fully personalized program that provides you with every recipe and meal needed to learn how to eat keto to achieve your specific goals. You also receive an abundance of extra guides that provides you with valuable information about going keto and staying keto, even well after the 8 weeks are done. It's a fully unique system that makes transitioning into a new diet easy because all of the hard work is done for you. All you have to do is follow along with the recipe plans, and by the end of it, it will come to you naturally, as it takes approximately 3 weeks to form new habits. And in the fact that you have a 60-day money-back guarantee, and you just can't go wrong. If you've been thinking about changing up your diet, there's no easier way to do it. My final recommendation is to pick Custom Keto Diet from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.